Dydd Gwyl, Ddewi, Sant, Hapus. Happy St David's Day. Parker Kevin and Ellis Ddewi. Just a short message for St David's Day for all involved in scouting in Eryri, Snowdonia and on Anglesey. The last words of David were, "Be joyful, keep the faith, and do the little things well. Do the little things that you've heard and seen me do. Byddwch llawen, cadwch yr ffydd ac cred, now capethau bychain." Being joyful doesn't always mean that we always need to be smiling. In fact, 2020 and early 2021 have been difficult for many of us. Life's been turned upside down. Hopefully, it won't be long before we see each other face to face again. Wyneb a wyneb eto. David was a Christian leader, an Esgob bishop. Of course he would want us to keep the faith. The scouting family is wonderful. People come from all diverse walks and beliefs and non-beliefs. And maybe we could rephrase it a little then. Keep faith with each other. And do the little things well. Well, the scouting family have done just that in Snowdonia and on Anglesey. There's lots of examples of scouts over the last 12 months keeping in touch with each other, helping out. It's what the scout motto is all about, being prepared. So, Dydd Gwyl, Ddewi, Sant, Hapus, happy St David's Day. Remember always that you are an amazing part of a fantastic organisation. Pob bendith i chi.